Hey, what's up community? It's KJ here from KnappyHair.com. And a few months ago, I debuted the Texture Match Kit. And the Texture Match Kit was made specifically for you to know what is going to blend in with your hair the best. I prefer if you choose a hair type that requires the least amount of heat on your hair, because that will help promote the health of your hair. My goal and intention for the Texture Match Kit was an introduction for you to know what nappy hair is all about. The Texture Match Kit is a way for me to say hello. And in this video, I want to take the Texture Match Kit a little bit further. Although the Texture Match Kit, you only have a small sample, a 3-inch clip-in weft, but I want you to visualize what that 3-inch clip-in weft opens the door to in terms of different product types and different hair types. The Texture Match Kit's goal is for you to know what's going to match with your hair first. So we're talking about hair type. Then second, we're going to go into products. So I'm going to show you the 3 different products in the nappy hair line: clip-ins, U-part wigs, and wefts. And I'm also going to break down the different hair types. So what you are seeing here is a representation of the Redefined Kit. The Redefined Kit is the first Texture Match Kit that debuted in October 2020. So we have Natural Straight, which in your Redefined Texture Match Kit, you have a sample of Natural Straight. The product here is a U-part wig. When you have your Texture Match Kit and you see the sample of Natural Straight, you would know Natural Straight is the least textured. So we have removed all of the kink. We have removed all of the coils and all of the curls. Natural Straight is resembling hair that has been chemically relaxed. So now that you see this U-part wig in the hair type Natural Straight, if you wanted a U-part wig, you would know based on your sample what you need to do with your leave out. Okay? So this is Natural Straight. Next up in the kit is Not So Nappy. As you can see, Not So Nappy has more texture than Natural Straight. Although it's looser than Natural Coarse, but it's tighter than Natural Straight. This product is clip-ins. But if you wanted to go with the Not So Nappy hair type, based off of your kit, you would know what you need to do with your natural hair to get this to blend with this hair type. Third, we have Natural Coarse. If you're looking at this side by side, you can see Natural Coarse is tighter than Not So Nappy. Natural Coarse is also tighter than Natural Straight. Naturally, it's going to be tighter than Natural Straight because it was tighter than Not So Nappy. But it's looser than Kinky Course, which is my favorite. Okay, so in your Texture Match Kit, use your Natural Course sample to see what you need to do to blend with your hair. As I mentioned in my Texture Match Kit video, you can use these samples to see how it will work with your hair with minimal heat, which is the blow dryer. And then you can always add more heat, which is the flat iron, the pressing comb, and the curling iron. So now we are at the tightest texture in the Redefined Kit, and it's my favorite, Kinky Course. And if you look at all 4 hair types, you can see that Kinky Course is totally different than Natural Straight. They are polar opposites. They are day and night from each other. Kinky Course can be straightened. It can look like natural straight, but Kinky Course has a both and ability. You can use Kinky Course to match your hair blow dried, just like you can with Natural Coarse. And you can also get Kinky Course just as straight as natural straight, okay? And you can determine all of this for yourself with your texture match kit. The goal of the kit is for you to get to know the hair, get to know your hair by using hair extensions. Okay, so these 4 are what makes up the Redefine Texture Match Kit. I'm also gonna show you what natural curly looks like and what kinky coily looks like. Although those hair types are not in the Redefine kit, they are coming in their own kit very soon. Okay, so let's talk about kinky coily and natural curly. A lot of community members think their hair is curly, but the truth is their hair is really coily. And if you look at natural curly and kinky coily, you can see that these 2 hair types are totally different. Both are equally beautiful, but they are completely different. And the difference lies in the kinky coily is much tighter than natural curly. And very soon, KnappyHair will offer different coily types and different curly types, because there is no one size fits all for coily and there's no one size fits all for curly, but we can try to get them into a category very similar to the hair typing system that Andre Walker created. But the purpose of this is to show you, just looking at the hair, which one matches your hair. Think about your hair when your hair is just freshly shampooed, conditioned, and air dried. If your hair matches more curly, then you are in the type 3 category. If your hair matches more coily, like mine, you're in the type 4 category. And I'll discuss further the differences between natural curly and kinky coily in another video.